Hello, my name is Wight and I'm an osteopathic manual practitioner at Proactive Pelvic Health. And today I want to talk to you about something really near and dear to my heart, and that is rest and restoration. So for all people at different times of life, it is important to get sufficient amount of rest and restoration. However, pre and postpartum, it can be considered particularly important due to all of the changes and processes that are happening. The bodies need to integrate, creating tissues, human beings, everything that requires even more energy than usual. The irony being that during that period of time, often we find that there are obstacles to either quality of sleep, quantity of sleep, and sleep being the primary form of restoration that we usually think of. However, as a result, I think expanding your idea around rest and what rest can look like is important, and using different methods and perhaps having different tools. So one of the tools that I'm a big fan of and that I often share with clients is Yoga Nidra. So Yoga Nidra is a meditation practice that comes out of yoga. So yoga, Nidra is a Sanskrit word that means sleep. And so when I was introduced to the practice, I was told that for 15 minutes of Yoga Nidra, you get the equivalent of like 2 hours of restful sleep. Now, that could just be the way that we're computing it. However, the skill of being able to rest is something that I'm also a really big fan of. And so teaching the body about letting go. And so Yoga Nidra is a guided meditation, which is an extra added plus, I think, because often for meditation practices, in the beginning, it can be a bit of a challenge. Whereas Yoga Nidra being a led practice, you will have somebody to guide you along. And it involves a systematic relaxation of the body and then a period of deep rest. And so through this process and that practice, I think we can really learn how to let go and start to consciously be able to connect with that idea of relaxing the body, a skill that unfortunately a lot of us don't really have so much anymore. So Yoga Nidra in that way can really provide a space for us to relearn how to relax as well. There's a ton of different options online, and what I really like about it too is that you can find different Yoga Nidras in different time amounts. So 5-minute Yoga Nidras, 15-minute, all the way up to hour-long Yoga Nidras. And so whatever fits your time budget, essentially, you can still do the practice. And for accessibility, I find that really useful. And so yeah, definitely something that I would suggest to anybody struggling with getting enough sleep or with the quality of their sleep to try the practice of Yoga Nidra. Take care.